Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to create an email signature on the Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application, Microsoft Outlook, as well as an image, a couple of hyperlinks that will take us to our social media. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the Microsoft Outlook application. Search for this. Enter up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, now let's go to the top left corner of the screen where it says New Email. Click on this. Before we do anything, let's compile the email itself. Let's just say hello. This is a test email. Kind regards, and then we will insert the signature that we will create. Let's go into recipient. This email will be sent to the Computer Science Videos at Business Gmail account. Double click on this to expand to ensure that this is the Computer Science Videos Business Gmail account. Go to subject. Let's just say test email. In the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how we would insert a signature. Let's click on admin. There we go. Let's now highlight and remove this. Let's now go to signature again, edit signatures. We will be creating a new signature. How do we do that? Let's go to the plus sign, click on this, and now what we will do is add a signature. So we can say admin. On the next line, we can insert an image. Let's go to pictures, picture from file. Let's go into documents. Go to my YouTube channel. There should be an image of Computer Science Videos. The icon, click on insert. We can resize this image. So that's what we're doing now, resizing the image itself. And now what I intend to do is add some hyperlinks that will take the users to my, let's just say if it's a website, a social media, like page, or my YouTube channel and so on. So let's now say Computer Science Videos. Go to the next line. We will now go all the way down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's navigate to YouTube Studio. Let's now go to customization. This will take us to our brand and basic information where we have all these hyperlinks readily available for us to copy and paste. Let's now take the Instagram hyperlink. Go back to our signature. Let's just say Instagram. That has now turned into a clickable link. Go to our next line. Let's take the Twitter URL, copy and paste. The Facebook like page. Let's now copy the custom URL for our YouTube channel. Go back to our signature. And there we go. So we can now go back to Safari, quit Safari, go back within that signature. The signature name will now be changed. We will now change the signature name to admin, update, Command S to save, and this signature itself is done. Click on the X button, and there we have it. Let's now insert this signature, admin update. That's fine. And there we go. So we can now click on send. As you can tell by that notification, the email has been sent to the Computer Science Videos business Gmail account. Let's now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to our additional web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where we have Gmail to take us to our account. Let's now click on that email that we have received from the admin account, test email. This is a test email, kind regards, and there we have that signature that we have created within minutes for our business page. We can also take this to another level where we have an advanced signature as part of your business or brand. We will look to create that in the near future, where we heavily and primarily focus on how to create professional signatures. So we can now quit Google Chrome, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook, quit Outlook. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.